Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great exterior features that include 17-inch TRD wheels, a tonneau cover, side steps, and blackout badging. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black Softex interior. This Tacoma also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seat adjustments, and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. Over in the middle on the touchscreen we have our AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection along with navigation and a backup camera. Right below that you have your heated seat buttons, followed by your dual zone climate controls. Down at the bottom here, we've got our blind spot monitoring button, along with your power sliding rear window, 2 outlets, and your wireless phone charger underneath. This Tacoma comes with a 6-speed manual transmission and has a dash camera. Taking a look at the rear seats, we've got 2 cup holders in the back of the center console, along with a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. These seat bottoms fold forward, giving you access to under-seat storage space. And the seat backs fold as well, giving you access to behind-the-seat storage. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great interior features that include navigation, a dash camera, heated seats, a wireless phone charger, and a TRD shift knob. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.